Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Veloster's engine air filter. First, gather your essential tools, primarily your new air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. You'll find the air filter housing located under the hood, typically a black plastic box near the engine on the driver's side. Safety first, always. Now, let's access the old filter. The air filter housing is usually secured by 2 or more metal latches. Simply flip these latches down to release the cover. Gently lift the top half of the air box to expose the filter. Then, carefully pull the old, dirty air filter out of the bottom half of the air box. Note its orientation for the new one. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean out any sand or debris from the bottom half of the air box. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and matches the orientation of the one you removed. Finally, lower the top half of the air box and re-engage all the metal latches to secure it properly. With the new filter securely in place, double-check that all clips are fastened and any screws are tightened. This simple maintenance can significantly improve your engine's performance, boost your fuel efficiency by up to 10%, and even prolong your engine's life by preventing harmful debris from entering. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. It's a quick and easy way to keep your car smelling fresh and clean, making every drive more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.